Go. Come this way to me. Say, I know how to ride my tricycle, Mama. Tell her. Yeah. Say, I love you. Okay, keep riding it. Go forward. Show her how you can do it forward. Go forward. Say, I'm a big girl now. Forward. It's okay. Keep going. It's okay. Keep going. You're doing good. Good job. Can you get over the rock? Yep. Uh-oh. I'm not going in the road. I'm just walking behind you so I could get your picture.